Hey guys, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. Today I'll talk about mouse. Today I'll talk about a mouse. I'm going to talk about this. My mouse was not working. The mouse that I use with my laptop, it was not working. So I thought I'll buy a new one. And this is a Dell mouse, and I just bought it. I have a Dell laptop, so I thought I'll buy a Dell mouse this time. And this is what I bought. And by the way, I bought it from Flipkart. Now let's talk about the packaging first. The packaging is super awesome. This is the outer packaging, and this was inside. Actually, on top it came in a very hard Flipkart box. I'm really happy about the packaging. The packaging was excellent actually. So this is pretty much it. This is the outer packaging, a normal paper box, but it was really tightly packed. You see this thing, I really like it. You can actually hang it if you wish. If you want to keep the mouse inside, you want to hang it, you can. Or if you want to use it for something else later on, because sometimes I also use packets, I reuse them for some time, I color them, I give it to my children. Those kind of things is something I do. So these are the good packets, small ones. You can keep them to keep your masks as well. Anyways, let's talk about it. So yeah, this is pretty much it, the packaging, and you see lots of things written over here. We don't really care to read them. We don't really have to read them. Yeah. And yeah, MRP is 650 rupees. It was manufactured in March 2021. It doesn't have expiry dates. And yeah, 650, but I have bought it from Flipkart with only 249 rupees, or like 250 rupees. And inside the box I had this one. This is like another one. The packaging is like super good. First of all, when I actually got this, I didn't know how to open it. I was like clueless how to open it because it was so tight. Then I actually also didn't want to tear it, because I thought the mouse may not work or something. I might have to send it back. So I was really thinking how to open it and all. But then yeah, काफ़ी जद्दोजहद के बाद yeah, I opened it. And this is how you have to open it. Yeah, there you go, and here it is. So this is how you really need to open it, and you can take out the product from this box. Why I was telling you to reuse and all, because of let if you have children at home, they will definitely throw their masks here and there. And if you are taking them somewhere, when you ask them to wear the mask, they will come up and say, I don't know where it is. So you can give this kind of box and ask them to keep their masks over here. This box is really very good, guys. It's handy and it's cute also, and it is so nicely built. If you really want, you can draw something, you can make a sun or something, you can color it, and it will never look like a mouse box. It will rather look like a mask box. Okay, if I can, I'll make it. I'll just remodel this thing, and I'll show you in some other video how I'm remodeling it. I'll try and do that, because I have really liked it a lot. This packaging is something I'm really liking. It's so nice, sturdy. Definitely we can reuse. Now this is the packaging, and you see the user manual also. Yeah, this is the thing. We don't really need an user manual for a mouse. But yeah, I really appreciate that they has given the manual. There are many people who might not know how to use a mouse, right? And this is the thing, guys. Actually, I have taken it out. As you can see, the wire is quite long. This much, guys. It's really long. Do you guys see how long it is? It's huge. It's really long. So you can actually connect it with your laptop, and if you are not so close to it, you are just doing something by clicking, you can sit and relax. And if you're watching a movie or something, this one is enough, right? And there is a partition. I mean, the wire was here and the mouse was here, and there is a partition. It's not one packet. This is the partition, guys. I don't know how much you guys can understand, but see, my finger can't go inside. So the wire was here, and this is the mouse part, and there you go. This is how the mouse looks, and it's really like handy one. I have used it, and this is how it is made. So when I was using it, and like how long we have to work, it's like 9 to 10 hours a day, and the entire day, because I really cannot use only the laptop to work, I need a mouse. So full day I was doing clicks like that, and it is super smooth. It responds really well, and it is comfortable also. And if you see this part, do you see, this is flat. this is not round, this is flat, so quite nicely you can actually navigate. And the clicks are also, I mean, smooth, and like I just said, it responds really well. It is a very nice product. And this is the connector, a normal connector like how they are normally. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And the wire is really big, that's a plus point. I had mouse before also, that was an HP mouse, and that was not so good. I mean, it was working good, but the wire was so small, I really had difficulty. But this one is really long. This is like, yeah, it's really long, isn't it? And this mouse is really good, guys. If you are looking for a mouse, they still have the sale on. So if you wanna buy from Flipkart, and actually Flipkart is a place where you can see sales throughout the year. On top, in the starting of the month and in between, sometimes they declare special sale, and then the price drops like anything. So if you want, you can buy this mouse, and this is how the back side also looks. This is how it looks, pretty much like any other mouse, but this one works really well. This is so comfortable. You can aram se work like this. Okay, you can aram se work like this. It will never ever give you any trouble. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Only I wish there was something, some design or something was there with red, because red is my obsession, my weakness, my strength, whatever. I like red color. But yeah, normally they are like this, and yeah, it's actually good, guys. So if you are looking for a mouse, you can buy this one, this Dell mouse. This is really good. There are model numbers, but I don't know, I mean, they hardly matter. It is written over here as MS116. So if this is the model number, I'm not sure. I'm obviously not a tech savvy person. I don't understand much about them. But yeah, this is what is mentioned over there. I believe this is the model number MS116. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you want, you can buy this. And this is quality wise very nice, and as I said, the price is 650 MRP mentioned over here, but from Flipkart I bought it with only 250 rupees. So you can imagine how much discount I got. And the product, well, it's a Dell mouse. Do I really have to tell you about Dell? We all know, right? So yeah, go for it. And yes, if you want me to review any particular product, I will do that. Normally I review beauty related products, but this is something I couldn't stop myself to talk about. You know, I really love this mouse very much, and when I bought it, when I was kind of, I did not have any mouse, and I really couldn't stop working, so I had to buy this. And yeah, I'm really happy with the price, happy with the product. So yeah, with that, I'll end today's video, guys. It was really wonderful to review this product, and I'm so happy to use it. This is my experience that I'm talking, nothing fake, nothing like, you know, from somebody else. This is my personal opinion. If you're looking for a mouse, buy this. Mice, no, not mice. If you're looking for a mouse, buy this. Okay, so with that, I'll end, guys. Take care of yourself, be happy, wear your masks, carry your sanitizers. If you are going somewhere, stay safe, stay home, keep watching Beauty and Lifestyle. Bye, Anandita. Bye bye.